Hey everyone, welcome to Budgeting with Darcy. It's so great to have you here today. Hello, I am Darcy. Today we are going to talk about getting $400 of free money. I am going to put some money in your pocket. You are welcome. Let's get ready. Let's get into it. So Capital One. Capital One is amazing. From Samuel L. Jackson and his commercials to Taylor Swift and his commercials, it got the best spokespeople, it got the best bonuses for opening up accounts, and now they just are giving away free money. And I'm upset. I'm sharing this with you, but I'm upset. They gave me a free $100, but now they're giving away a free $400. I'm like, what? Where my $300 at? Where is it at? But it's okay. It's okay, I'm gonna get through it. I'm gonna share it with y'all, and hopefully y'all will comment below the $400 and what you did with it, how you got it, and how happy you were that I shared it with you. Hey everyone, I have a goal of hitting 100 subscribers by the end of this year, so please help me out and smash that subscribe button. Thank you so much. So if you open up a Capital One 360 checking account and you do certain requirements, which I will go into, you will get $400 of free money. There's very little that I like more than free money. Free food might be beating it just a little bit, but free money is so nice. So nice. Okay, and so they are giving away $400 of free money if you meet these requirements. So let me get into it. First things first, you need to open up a 360 checking account before January 21st, 2021. So that is the cutoff. You need to open up an account before then. The second thing that you need to do is when opening up an account, you need to use the promo code BONUS400. BONUS400 is the promo code that you need to use. The third thing that you need to do is over a 2-month time period, 60 days, you need to have 2 or more direct deposits totaling $1,000 or more. So you can have 10 direct deposits, and if it adds up and then equals $1,000 or more, you get $400. I'm telling you, that is amazing. Like, I do DoorDash part-time in my free time. If I did DoorDash every day, I would be able to get direct deposits totaling up to $1,000 over that 2-month time span. I know it. And so I will link a DoorDash video right here so you can check it out. But yes, all you need is for however many direct deposits that you have within a 60-day time period to total $1,000, and you get $400 of free money. I'm telling you, that's $400. I could do so much with that money. But this money isn't for me, it is for you all to open up a Capital One 360 checking account. Y'all are so lucky. I am so jealous of y'all right now because that is free money, and free money is so nice. And so yes, Capital One 360 is amazing, and they are offering this promo deal. So jump on it. I will leave details in the description below. And please check out some of my budgeting videos where I help you maximize your money by getting you in control of your finances. And so free money is nice. Reducing expenses is nice, which I was able to reduce my phone bill here, reduce my cost of living here. And so just really, it's nice about having an overall well-rounded life where you can get some free money, or you can reduce your expenses and live the financial dreams that you want to live. And so get that $400. Get it for me. Because I hope that does truly have a lasting impact on your life or what you need to do, and give you the money that you need to get by. Because 2020 has been a hard year, but definitely there have been banks offering really good promo deals right now. Really good promo deals to get you through the door and to get you some bonuses to get you through. So definitely check it out. Look at the description below. And Capital One is pretty banging, so definitely recommend opening up some accounts with Capital One.
Now tell me, what's in your wallet?